Hey, my YouTube family. So you struggling to get your first 100 subscriber? Don't worry about it. I was there too. But today, I'm going to show you how to get your first 100 subscribers and fast. So stay tuned to the end because I also got a proven hack, y'all, that most small creators don't even know. So if you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any more videos. None of my uploads. So let's get right into it, y'all. First of all, before we even get into creating content, we got to start your channel. Y'all see me looking down, you know I got my little handy dandy notes. First of all, start your channel. You got to start your channel, y'all. Before we even think about creating, generating some content, we got to get this channel up, y'all. So, you want a channel name. Make sure, and I learned this the hard way, y'all. Make sure your name is catchy, not too long, don't got no numbers in it, and that it stays relevant and is catchy and it's easy for your audience to remember. That's important, y'all. Not only to your name, make sure you got to have a photo. If you're doing a faceless channel, you can generate an AI photo. You can generate a logo for your business. That might be a good photo if you're doing faceless. Now, if like my channel is my name, Donna Marie, and my face is on my channel because my channel is about me giving value content and tips and strategies on you to grow your channel. So make sure your picture is clean, make sure it's not too busy, and make sure that you want to stay relevant. So pick a good, clear picture, that will stick to your audience mind and that will stay relevant. That's very important. So you want your name to be relevant. Don't make it too long, not too many numerals in it, not too many letters in it, because you want your name to stay relevant and it's important. And also your name and your title. And we're going to title of your channel. Your name and your title needs to be about your niche. Now, your niche can be anything. Your niche can be something that you like to talk about. Anything that's just relevant to you and that you can give value. So your title, your niche, and your name should all be relevant, y'all. Should all correspond together, y'all. Because you want your audience to remember your channel. So you want a name that's memorable, that's sticky, that it can stick to your audience, basically. That's what you want. But you don't want it not to be relatable to your niche. So in your description, now we're moving on to the description box. You want your description to tell exactly what your channel is about, y'all. Plain and simple. Tell in your description, let your audience know, let your community know what they came there for, what you're going to be offering, what they're going to get from your channel. That should be in your description. In your description, your title to your channel, and your name should all be related to your niche, y'all. Keep it all relatable. Keep it all corresponding together. Okay? And you also want to try to use keywords in your description and into your title of your channel so it all is relatable. That's how YouTube and the algorithm will know how to categorize your content and where to put your information out and who to put it in front of. Now, you got your channel. Some people might say you need a banner, but that can wait. If you can't think of something eye-catching, appealing, then your banner can wait. And if you can't think of a good title, if you can't think of a good description, and even if you can't make up a good name for your title, but you know what niche you want, you can always go into ChatGPT, Uncle Al, y'all, or you can go into Meta, or you can go into vidIQ. It's a lot of AI that will help you create your title for your channel, will help you create your description so it can be SEO optimized, keyword friendly. So when you post your videos, YouTube will know who to put your videos in front of, what category to put you in, and what audience to put your video in front of. Now that we got that done, next, you want to make videos that people is actually searching for. You want to make videos that's relevant. You want to make videos that people is going to actually watch. So, how do you do this? You can go into YouTube Studio, Google search, trending topics, trending AI generators, and ask what's trending in your niche. What is trending? What's the trending videos in your niche? Or like my niche is how to help people grow on YouTube, how to get viewers on YouTube, how to get subscribers on YouTube. You will search up these topics and you will see what videos pop up. Then you can see what's working for other creators. You can see their titles. You can see their thumbnails, y'all. I'm telling you, do your research. This is how you find out what people is looking for, what trending topics people is searching for, what the algorithm in YouTube is putting out there for people to search for. It's very important, y'all. This is how you get your 100 subscribers fast. You gotta find what people is searching for. You gotta find what people is wanting to watch, basically, because you won't get your 100 subscribers if they're not clicking on your videos, if they're not watching your videos. So you won't get your 100 subscribers and you won't get your watch time. So that's one way on finding how to get the trending topics and the trending videos for people that's searching for them. That's one way. You can always go into YouTube Studio, and in YouTube Studio, they got a section called Inspirations. You can click on that section in Inspirations, and you can see what people in your niche is looking for. It'll tell you right in there what's the top searching trends, what's the top searching videos. All of that is an inspiration. Or like I said, you can always ask Google, what's the top searching trends in my niche? It's easy. You create the video, you watch other videos, you see what's working for them. And also remember, your videos gotta have value. Your videos gotta have substance. And a few words to sum it up, your videos gotta solve a problem in your niche that you're in. It doesn't matter what niche that you pick. It doesn't matter what niche that you choose. But your video will get more views and you will get your 100 subscribers fast if your video is solving a problem. It's just as plain and simple as that. And you want your videos to be at least 20 to 25 minutes long. That's so people can get the value out of your content. YouTube will know where to place your content in front of which audience that needs to see your videos. So make sure your video is solving a problem in your niche. And to find these videos, you go search in YouTube Studio, or you search in Google. You can also ask ChatGPT. You can also ask Meta to help find you trending, searchable videos in your niche. And then you can also ask ChatGPT or Meta, what in your niche, now, what is the 10 most asked questions in your niche? And ChatGPT and Meta will print up the 10 most asked questions in your niche. And you can take each one of those questions and make a video out of it. And you answer those questions by making a video. That's giving value. That you're giving back to your community. That's how you grow your community. That's how you get your 100 subscribers. So you're looking for videos that you're making videos that people is searching for and that people want to watch. Now, y'all, I must say this. I'm going to keep repeating it. I'm going to keep saying it. You got your first 30 seconds in your video. I'll say 10 to 30 seconds in your video, which is called a hook. This hook is what grabs your subscribers and keep them watching your video. So if you made it this far in the video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share this content if you think someone else can use this information. And once again, let me know in the comments how many subscribers you got so far. Put down in the comments so far as of today how many subscribers you got. Now back to what I was saying. You first 30 seconds in your video. This is the time where you either hook in your audience, hook in your viewers, or they gonna click away, y'all. And hopefully you still here in this video and give me 2 thumbs up. Thank you. It makes the algorithm happy, and me too. Really appreciate it. But this is the first 30 seconds in your video that you got to grab your audience, your community attention. Your hook is irrelevant. Your hook is what keeps your viewers in your video. You want them to keep watching. You want them to continue watching your video, because all through the video, and stay to the end, like I said, because I definitely got one last gem at the end of this video that you don't want to miss. Your hook is what keeps them engaged. Your hook is what keeps them curious, to let them know, oh, shoot, I'm going to keep watching this video. This is something I might need to hear. So make sure your first 30 seconds of your video is where you grab your audience, is where you get them engaged, where you make their curiosity peak so they continue to watch your video. It's so important, y'all. You got to master that. You got to start it out with a strong one too, y'all, like I did in the beginning of this video. So, all right, now we got the hook. We got the engagement. We got to get a good title to your video. Like I said, if you can't think of a good title, ChatGPT will help you out with this, y'all. Don't be afraid to use AI, y'all. That's what it's here for. Don't be afraid to use the tools that's in YouTube Studio. That's what it's here for. So utilize everything you can to grow your channel on YouTube. I mean, seriously, y'all. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to start out strong. We're going to start out strong. And we're going to end powerful too. Okay? Okay. So now, you made it this far in the video. And I want to tell you the boost part of this video that most small creators don't even realize. And this could bring your subscribers up. This could bring your engagement up. This could raise your watch hours. And all you got to do is engage in your comments. Engage with your community, y'all. If someone took the time out to leave a comment, how you not going to engage? How you not going to take the time to respond? I don't care if you just like it. Give it a heart. Believe it or not, YouTube algorithm, they sees that. They see the thumbs up. They see the heart. They see a simple reply. Y'all, if someone took the time out to comment on your video, please take the time out to engage back with them. You want them to return back, right? You want them to come back for more. So you just going to ignore them? That's not how you build your community. That's not how you get your 100 subscribers, y'all. Because believe it or not, when you engage and you let someone know that you've seen them support you, they will continue to support you. They will continue to come back for more tips and strategies. I'm telling y'all, it works. It's like one of the most important things as a small creator. You have to engage in your comments. You have to build your community. You have to let them know that you see they support and you appreciate it. I mean, it's just a polite thing to do because they was polite enough to put a comment in. And believe it or not, YouTube and the algorithm, they pushes your content out when they see you doing more engagement. They like your channel to be active. When they see your channel's active, that's when they push your content out. That's when they put your content in front of audience more and more. So stay in your comments. Keep networking with smaller other creators. Watch other creators. Remember, we're going to follow 5 small creators a day. We're going to go to their channels. We're going to watch some videos. It's free, y'all. We're going to click on them. We're going to give them a thumbs up. We're going to subscribe to their channels. We're going to go in their comments. Engagement. We're going to go in their comments and we're going to drop a comment. We're going to let them know that we supporting each other in this community here, y'all. Okay? Because that's what we about over here. Support, engagement, engagement. We're going to get monetized, y'all. This is what we're going to do. And these are the things will get you your 100 first subscribers and fast. I'm telling you now. I'm not joking. I just hit 166 subscribers. But it took me 30 days to do it. But once I got the hang of it and learned other strategies, I said, wow, if I was implementing all this at the beginning, I probably would have got my 100 subscribers within a week. So I'm telling you, engagement, consistency, y'all. So if you found this video engaging, if you found this video valuable, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And watch my other videos that I have that will give you more tips and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel. And until we talk again, don't forget, never accept anything less but the best for you and your loved ones.